Hello friends, welcome to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making two rich and creamy recipes with strawberries, which I'm sure kids would love it. First recipe is a thick and yummy strawberry milkshake, and other one is a refreshing strawberry lassi. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So let's get started with the strawberry milkshake. It is prepared with minimum ingredients like fresh strawberries, milk, ice cream and sugar. Wash around 10 strawberries and pat them dry. Then remove the stems and chop them. In a blender jar, add the chopped strawberries, 4 teaspoons of sugar and half cup of chilled milk. You can substitute sugar with natural sweeteners like honey. Blend them well. Now add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream and the remaining half cup of chilled milk. Blend until smooth. Pour the milkshake into the glasses and garnish the rim of each glass with a strawberry. And serve them immediately. Now let's move on to our next recipe, that is strawberry lassi. It is a yogurt based drink. It is prepared with fresh strawberries, yogurt and sugar. This super easy and refreshing drink has become quite popular of late and can be made in no time. Wash around 8 fresh strawberries and pat them dry. Then remove the stems and chop them. In a blender jar, add the chopped strawberries, 2 teaspoons of sugar, seeds of 1 cardamom, 3/4 cup of yogurt. Blend well until they are well combined. Now add 3/4 cup of remaining yogurt and blend until smooth. Pour the lassi in the glass and garnish with crushed pista and serve them chilled. Hope you enjoyed both our drinks. If you want more such videos, do comment below. Try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.